How to update Snapseed app. So if you want to use the latest version of Snapseed, then the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update this app. So I'll be showing you how you can update it on Android smartphone step by step. By updating your Snapseed app, you'll also be able to fix majority of the problem you are encountering, maybe sluggishness or the app constantly stopping. Now to begin, just head over to Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, but if you are using an iPhone, go to App Store. So I'm using an Android smartphone and I'll do it through the Play Store. Go ahead and tap on Play Store. And from here, go ahead and search the app. And now here's my app. You can see it is already installed. If I proceed and tap on it, we have here two options, either to uninstall it or to open it. But for your case, you might be looking at something like update. So if you see it is written here update, it means you're not using the latest version of Snapseed. So proceed and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download and install the latest version of Snapseed app. Once you are done, now you'll see it is written open. Now that means that you have the latest version. Now if we proceed from here open, it will take you to the app, and now we'll start using the latest version of Snapseed app. So that's how you update your Snapseed app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.